A very good morning to one and all present here. We are extremely happy to have with Kush M. Durgi. He has addressed our students, high school students of standard 8, 9th and 10th in the morning. And students were highly motivated to study maths especially. Now I am sure that you too will benefit from the session. I request sir, please sit. Kush M. Durgi is a hard-working and highly determined person. He is a very down-to-earth person, highly qualified but yet very humble person. He wanted to share his knowledge with others so that many more students will benefit from it. And he has got 3 lovely children, highly qualified, who are going to be the scientists, and the other one also is a software engineer. And how they have come up in their life through hard work, determination and commitment. And also the special techniques which they used to come up in their life. So would like to share those techniques with you, dear students, so that you may also benefit and come up in life. I request sir to address our student. A warm welcome to you, dear sir, for accepting our invitation to address our students. I request Sister Cecilia to present the bouquet to sir.
Thank you, madam. Okay. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
I am Ankush Durgi from this city only, Belgaum. But my native is in Athni Taluka. It's a small village on the bank of river Krishna that is called Sina. I lectured about 25 years in Dharwad, Belgaum and Sangli at our native Athni also. Along with my lecturing, still I am studying. Now I am the student of 60 years. I covered more than 10 degrees and planning, and now start again. I am going to finish one PhD and planning to start another. And 3 daughters, Nikita, Amruta and Sonali. All are the super rankers because of the techniques. If you follow the techniques, you can become super rankers. Already you are. Already you are the super rankers. Your school is working very nicely. I visited number of schools across Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa. 3 states I am roaming here and there, giving lectures. I know that Yours is one of the best school among in these all three states. Mostly, it's one of the best school in our area. So it's a very nice. You are doing very well. Your school management and our principal and teachers are giving very nice study. If you find any positive things, good things, you can follow my things also. My things directly support your studies. Your syllabus is very vast. It's not a simple syllabus. It's a vast. It's a good syllabus also that helps your future. But anyhow, you must follow some more things to improve your syllabus. For example, maths. Maths is called the toughest subject in the world. But I can say, it's true, it's one of the toughest subject. But I can say, nobody is dull and no subject is tough. No subject is tough. But you have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. These are the things. If you follow the techniques, you will become super ranker. Now I am giving some ideas here about the maths, how that can be made easy, how it can be taken easily. Okay? Are you ready? For that purpose, I am giving here first tables. How to create the tables? How to create the tables here? I am giving. Okay, let us start our table technique study here. If you cover the tables, you can cover the whole mathematical world. And here, I am giving some ideas about the tables and the maths here, but you are getting many more things in my YouTube channel. That's Ankush Durgi. There is my YouTube channel. It is very useful for all of you. It supports directly. That's YouTube channel Ankush Durgi. Facebook Ankush Durgi, Instagram Ankush Durgi, and there is another channel newly started, that is Ankush Durgi Marathi Medium. Ankush Durgi Marathi Medium means you are getting all the lectures in my 4 languages, that are English, Hindi, Kannada and Marathi. Okay? Here we are also making yours also video. Today by evening you can watch your videos also. That's mostly 4-5 videos viewers are coming. Please do subscribe today only. It's a free of cost. All channels are free of cost. Subscribe, follow and press bell icon, and if you find like, then like it and share to all. Okay? Yes, come on. Let us start. Because of these techniques, we can cover whole mathematics easily, very easily. Because of these all things, my daughters and my students became a super ranker. Please take that chair, please. Anybody can become a super ranker. Now, my 2 daughters, Nikita and Amruta, first and second, both are becoming very shortly, within 2 months, both at a time scientists. And another is Sonali, she is software student. All are at Christ University, Bangalore. They are the super, they studied here, means in the Belgaum district. Then for the higher education, they went to Christ University. It's a world-class university. Very nice university. If you get their admission, you will get the job all over the world. Because of what? My eldest daughter, just few days back, she got selected at the international level for the research project. Only 600 students they select. Among them, my daughter is one of the topper. And now she is getting 1 lakh rupees per month stipend. Per month. And remaining things also. And after this, if you start your research, means as a scientist, if you start your future, you will get salaries per month in lakhs and lakhs, much more big amounts, and all can become scientists. I can assure you. You all can become scientists. So better to study properly, become a super ranker, and you can become a scientist. And study is simple if you follow hard work with smart work. Understand? Hard work with smart work. And if you follow my slogan, that is, nobody is dull and no subject is tough, but we have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. Is it clear? Come on. Now I am giving idea to make tables. Within 2 minutes, you will cover tables up to 100. Up to 100. You will say, we will not forget this forever. You will say, these things no needs that all by telling or studying. Directly we can remember. Are you ready? Please don't write down while I am lecturing there. Only concentrate on these things. Okay? If you need this, you can take afterwards. Okay? I am giving time to you. But now, look at this. Please look at this. Yes, come on. Is it clear? Can you see properly?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Now I want to create here table of 52 by the help of Vedic technique here. From these separate two lines means tables we can create there by mixing these two. Okay? Whoever have got the watch, please set your time when I say start. Then check your time whenever I say stop. Within 2 minutes, you will cover tables up to 100. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please set your time. Start. Come on. See here. 52. First, we have to please make it zoom it. Yes. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Here, first write down the table for 5. Please don't write down. Yes, you have to write the table of 5. Then again table of 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But now don't write down yourself. Okay, come on. By mixing these two, we have to create here. What is that? If we have 2 here, 2 digits. From second table, take a single line there. If 2 digits, 1 line from second table, last line. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Last line 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again the same 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Last line should be taken from the second table. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then front line digits of the second table should be added here. Is it clear? That's 5. There is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is, 10 as it is, 15 as it is, 20 as it is. But here, 25 plus 1. 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, 52. Now we got here 52 table. Is it clear? In the same way, can you create table of 53,
Yes, sir.
64,
Yes, sir.
75,
Yes, sir.
86,
Yes, sir.
99?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Now, please stand. No, yourself. Please.
Stand.
Here, please check your time. 2 minutes. How much it is? 2 minutes only. Is it clear? Now can you create tables up to 100? Wow. Is that needs any practice? Are you going to forget these things? Okay, super, smart students. This is the idea. There is no need of bahating, there is no need of practicing, but you will not forget these things. You will become a super ranker. All can become super ranker. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now give me just 1 minute. Here, look at this only, please. Look at this only. Now give me just 1 minute. You can cover tables up to 1000. Even more than that. Yes, come here. Please look at this. See that here. Now we have table of 52. Is it clear? Now I want to make the table of 952. Here 52 is there. What should I do? I should write down the table of 9. See here, when we are having 2 digits, we have taken 1 line there. 2 digits, 1 line. Then 3 digits, 2 lines should be taken there. And front line should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 952. Means 952 means we are very near to 1000. Now you can create table up to 1000. If there comes 9 and 9 and 9 and 9, you can create. Unlimited tables you can create. But remember one thing. Do not write down such longer and longer tables. Do not practice these all things. Only keep it in your mind how the tables can be created. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now have you got the idea of making tables? Okay, now let us solve your problems, your school problem. This is also your school syllabus. How the multiplications, additions, subtractions, divisions are done very easily by the help of these things and many more things. Let us have the things here. Okay? Come on. Please write down my YouTube channel name, that is Ankush Durgi. Please write down. That is very useful. Ankush Durgi. ANKUSH. Ankush Durgi. 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 Okay, it's a free of cost. Today only subscribe that, you are getting videos yours also. Yes, come on. Yes. Nearby. Please come here, nearby. Here. Yes, okay. Come on. Say Try to make it zoom.
Yes.
Yes. Are you getting how many minutes over now?
20.
Yes. Yes, come on. Come on here. Here. Now 1 minute. That.
You're going to divide the school.
Yeah.
Divide the school.
Not. Where it is.